welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fill on my client's nails. She has had these on for over a month now. It's almost been 5 weeks. We did a colored acrylic set on her. This is the color Milky White that she has underneath. And then we just did a quick little French with our reflective glitter polish. The first thing I'm going to be doing is removing the top coat that I used and the gel polish. And I'm using our new 5-in-1 bit. This one is the fine one. The speed that I'm using is at about 12 or 13 on my drill. Depending on what drill you have, it can vary. Some go like faster and some go slower. So when I'm first removing the gel polish, I'm not too precise with it. I just try to take off as much as I can while the drill is going fast. To get rid of all of like the little details and stuff like that, I do lower the drill so it's not going as fast, and then I kind of remove whatever is like left. So for example right here, I believe I'm using the drill at maybe like a speed 7, and what I'm doing right here is I'm just getting rid of any acrylic that might be lifting, and also just getting rid of all the black, all the red, as much as I can. So I went ahead and I sprayed our nail cleanser. And after that, I pushed back her cuticles. After I push back her cuticles, I'm going to go in with this fine sanding band. And I'm just going to remove the natural nail shine from her nails. After I do this, I am going to go ahead and file and smooth the entire nail. I feel like if I don't smooth the entire nail, like where the acrylic is at, when I apply the acrylic to do the fill, it doesn't look as even. I feel like it just doesn't glide on as nice. So after, I do like to go over with the sanding band to make sure everything is nice and soft and even. After I'm doing that, I'm going to go in with the cuticle nippers, and I'm just going to get rid of any dry skin. She really didn't have much, so I just kind of took off whatever was just kind of standing up. I'm going to be going in with our cleanser again. I'm going to spray the nails, and I'm going to use a no lint wipe, and I'm going to remove any dust and oil that might be on her nail. And then I'm going to immediately go in with our nail prep dehydrator. This is one of our new products, which I'm super excited that we just launched. Nail prep is used to prepare the natural nail by balancing the pH and by removing natural nail oils to help your products adhere better and to last longer. If you have problem lifters, this is definitely a must step. Next, I'm going to be going in with our acid-free primer. Your primer is basically going to create a chemical bond between the natural nail and the acrylic or the gel, depending on which one you're using, so that it could adhere a lot better. I'm going to be going in with our nail liquid, our natural acrylic powder, and our size 10 acrylic brush. These rose gold brushes are limited edition, so we're not going to be restocking them after they're sold out. We already sold out of size 10. We only have size 12 and size 14 available, and I believe we only have maybe 4 or 5 of each size. So if you do want one, we have them on sale online and in store. So for the fill, what I'm going to be doing is basically putting the acrylic near the cuticle area and then just blending that down to the acrylic that's already there. After the acrylic is done drying, I'm going to be going in with our 5-in-1 bit. This one is the fine one. And I'm going to be sealing the cuticle area. So the point of this is just to get rid of any excess acrylic that might have gotten too close to the cuticle area, and just really to smooth it down so that when it grows out, it doesn't get caught in your hair and they're not lifting. So my clips kind of got a little bit cut off because my camera was running out of storage, so it kept stopping and then I didn't notice. But the next step after this is I'm going to be going in with the sanding band, and I'm going to be smoothing out all of the nails, preparing it, making sure that everything is nice and even. Also, like I said, the camera did stop recording at certain points, so the part where I shaped the nails didn't record. Sorry about that. But I am going to be buffing her nails, so I shaped and then now I'm buffing. And this is going to prepare her nails for polish. And after I'm done polishing, what I'm going to do is just have her wash her hands, just to get rid of all of that dust, so that when I polish, the polish can be as clean as possible. I'm going to be going in with our gel polish number 612. This is like a purplish, bluish, like a lavender color. I really like this color. A lot of people have actually been grabbing this one. This is actually our new packaging. If you follow us on Instagram, I recently did a few lives and I did talk about price changes on our products. For example, the gel polish was once $14.99. We now have it for only $12.99. So this bottle of gel polish, 15 millimeters black with the gold top, is only $12.99. And as you guys could see, it's super pigmented. So all I really needed to do was just one coat, and I didn't have to go in with the second one. And the reason for the price change, just real quick while you guys watch me polish, is because we have been working with some of our companies for about 2 years now. So fortunately, we are able to buy in larger quantities, so more in bulk, and we are building, relationships with them as well. So they are able to give us a better price to us, so we can also give you guys a better price. So if you guys want to check out the new price, you guys can go ahead and click the link that I'm going to leave in our description. And you guys could check out all of our new products and also our new pricing. So I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds under the light, and then I'm going to go in with our Gloss It Top Coat. Our Gloss It Top Coat is $14.99. This is one of our top selling products. The gloss lasts for a really long time. It's high shine and it lasts the shine like for weeks. So I am going to be applying glitter to this, and it's going to be the loose glitter effect, so I'm not going to cure the gel polish don't cure the top coat and just sprinkle the loose glitter on top of it, and then just kind of shake off the excess. I like to apply it over top coat because I feel like since it's non-wipe and it's clear, I feel like it holds better. It kind of freaks me out a little bit just to throw it on the wet gel polish, like the color polish. I just feel like it's not gonna stick as well, but it should. But I just like to rather do it with top coat. Okay, so I'm just gonna dust off the excess, and as you can see, the glitter stays there. It doesn't come off. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. I will leave everything that I use listed in the description box. Go ahead and check out our website if you guys are not local and you guys would like us to ship. We do ship within 1 to 3 business days. And for you to get your package, it could take anywhere from 2 to 5 days depending on your location. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.